Hello everybody and welcome to the video notes for Unit 4, Day 36. We are almost done with the unit, just a few more lessons to go. And we're continuing our work with variable equations, and now we're going to practice graphing them. Let's read the first problem. Natalie is buying sodas for a party that come in packs of 8. Let P be the number of packages that Natalie buys, and S is going to be the total number of sodas. The equation S is equal to 8 times P can be used to calculate the total number of beverages when the number of packages is known. Complete the table and the graph below. So if we look at what we have here, the number of packages can determine the number of sodas that we have. And since there's 8 sodas in every package, the number of sodas, which is S, is equal to 8 times the number of packages. So S is equal to 8 times P. So if we have 0 packages, 0 times 8 is equal to 0. And so if we were to put that on our graph, packages, as you can see, is this x-axis on the bottom, and the total number of sodas is the y-axis going up and down here. So our first point is at 0, 0. If there's one package, S is equal to 8 times P, so S is equal to 8 times 1, so 1 times 8 is equal to 8. So if we have one package of soda, which is right here, we would have 8 sodas total. And then I can keep doing that. 2 packages of sodas, 2 times 8 is 16. So I would have 16 sodas, so 2 packages is 16 sodas. 3, if there's 3 packages, 3 times 8 is equal to 24. So 3 packages of soda, 24 sodas. That goes right there. Next one, 4 times 8 is 32. I can put the next point on, 4, and then 32. 5 times 8 is 40. So if there's 5 packages of sodas, I know I would have 40 total sodas. Okay, pretty straightforward. You probably got that one pretty easily. Let's try the next one. Each week, Brianna earns $30. Create a graph that shows the total amount of money she earns week 1 through week 8. So we're going to go from week 1 all the way through week 8, and every week she earns at $30. So for our weeks worked, we're going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And weeks worked is on the bottom here, our x-axis. And we're only going to go up to 6 for now. And if she earns $30 every week, if she works 0 weeks, then she earns $0. So we're starting at 0, 0. If she works 1 week, she earns $30. So 1 week, she earns $30. If she works 2 weeks, she earns $30 for every 2 weeks. So we can take whatever this is and then multiply it by 30, and 2 times 30 is 60. So we know at 2 weeks she works 60, which is right here. And then what I want you to do is continue this all the way for the rest of the table, and you can fill out the rest of the table and then fill out the rest of the graph. And at the bottom part here now, it's asking you to write an equation for this situation. And I'm not going to fill out the whole equation, but I will get you started. And the first part of the equation is you want the total amount of money she earned, which is M, is equal to, the amount of money she earns is equal to, and you're going to use W in some way. So you're going to have W in your equation, and you know that she earns $30 for every week that she earns. So using that information, how can you write an equation using M for the amount of money that she earned, and W for the weeks that she worked? And once you think you have that, and once all of this is complete, you can raise your hand and I can check your work. And and then you're good to go. And that's all for today.